ASPI Stock Analysis and Price Predictions. Is it a buy? Watch this brief and short 1-minute video till the end to find out. I am the only person and only persona in this freaking space that has done 40,000 videos over 5 years. It's not just taking me 5 years, but tens of thousands of dollars in courses, some interest. And since I began, I really have video demonstration proof when I was really bullish on ASPI back when it was $4. And I'm not even exaggerating. You can see this video was made a month ago, 29th of March. 29th of March was like right here. 28, this is 31st, so just in between, right around here. And since then, it's just, we doubled, man. We like literally doubled. And this is not the first time we're freaking doubling. So ultimately, I'm praying for the price to pull down. I mean, I'm praying for corrections in order to get my NRC or the confirmation. Because if my rules are not met here, or what I'm expecting does not happen, then I'm not gonna just randomly get involved. Because that's what having an edge is sticking to your rules, right? And I don't know if this is gonna be covered here, but yeah, I do have previous receipts with it. But if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month with our indicators, click the first link in the description and get my free emails. So goodbye and enjoy.